It's a little too loud on the highway. I wanna pull back in your driveway. It's way too quiet at my place.
Hey, everybody.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode.
Yeah, of the Refried Home Fries.
Yeah, I'm the dog,
And I'm Kat.
That's Kat.
And continuing our journey on the From the Vault episodes.
Yeah, From the Vault. And, this is another one I don't think we've seen. I know I haven't seen this one, so.
I don't believe so either.
Wow, it's going to be another.
Not this or the video.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, no. So it's going to be a fun one because we don't get many that we haven't seen.
No, lately there's been quite a few, so it's fun. It's definitely fun. They'd be fun even if we had seen them, but.
Oh, sure, yeah.
Yeah. So this is number 13. I like the sound of that. So.
There you
Thanks
go.
for watching.
Yeah, thanks for hanging out with us.
Yeah. Action.
Look at the camera.
I love you're in that shower, turn on. Bet there's nothing but a towel on you. Nothing but a towel on you.
Move your face up.
All right.
Oh, all right. He listened.
I'm like a kid who just hates getting his hair cut. That's me still to this day. This is included.
You don't like this?
No, it's not you. We're still friends.
You sing along with some Timberlake bumping.
Oh,
He
cool.
ain't
Nice
got
jib.
nothing on you. I don't wanna
I've
hear
used
the
a few of those.
coffee pouring, a goodbye kiss,
Wow,
then
that's
locking the
something
door. Yeah, sounds like leaving you.
Lost.
Matthew
Oh.
McConaughey.
Look at Adam. I like when
Yeah.
Adam's silly.
Photo
and not
bomb.
being, yeah. Half the time you don't want to be in the camera and then stuff. Okay.
What's my motivation?
Okay, maybe now put your butt towards us a little bit. Right?
Can you look over your shoulder? What's going on? No. Punch him. Punch him. Punch him. Who punched? Oh, sorry. Any chance to punch me?
I'm gonna try and I'm just giving him some slaps.
Yes, very like it. I love it. Just give him some slaps. Good instincts, Chase.
Have you guys heard of Humphrey before? No, not till today. Are you guys gonna look them up? Do you like the music?
Yeah, I already looked them up.
Yeah? You already looked them up?
Awesome.
Cool.
Yay.
Nice.
I like that song that they're doing right now. Yeah.
It's a little too loud on the highway. I wanna pull back in your driveway. It's way too quiet at my place. Wanna come on over, come on over. I just wanna hear that ringtone. I like it turned up when you're blowing up my phone. Wanna hear you say, come on over. 'Cause when you tell me to come on over,
Just trying to pick
Smiling. Oh, Chance was doing the twizzle.
Scare yourself?
I didn't have a good setup.
Oh.
I feel like it looks better when it's up over your head.
I'm just like. Lunch quiz.
Angry, patriotic person.
What do you think about that? Oh, I don't know. Man.
Man.
I don't know what I said.
Oh, man.
That's Canada.
Sir, do you need anything? No? Thank you for coming into my classroom unannounced. Anyways, so you got your bones,
You got
they're
lost.
human bones. These are real. They were from my great-grandfather. I like not thinking.
I
I
know.
thought he was going to say big butts.
Right?
Look at her butt. It's so big.
Me too.
Love the sound of the thunder rolling makes you move a little closer to me.
No instruments.
Girl, I bet that your neighbors hate us, 'cause we can laugh all night and never sleep. We can worry about the world in the morning, light up a candle, lock the door, wanna stay right here with you. Yes, I do.
Supposed to be fun about books. She's like, I'm trying to remember them book part from Beauty and the Beast. I'll be like, I got the books and you can read them. Oh, Captain, my Captain. Right? Isn't that right? That's that Shakespeare movie, right?
Don't ask me.
Shakespeare movie.
Baby, turn down the light. I ain't going nowhere. I'm all yours tonight. It's a little too loud on the highway. Wanna pull back in your driveway. It's way too quiet in my place. So come on over. Come on over.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, that's right.
Dum, 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 dum.
I'm not going to stop it. We're at the end.
Get it, Austin.
It's a rap. That's my rap dance.
That's a wrap.
Oh my goodness.
Well,
My face
alrighty
hurts.
then.
I don't know if Adam realizes, or maybe he does, how much we love when he's in those moods.
Oh, yeah.
I love seeing that side of him.
Yeah, he looks like he's got a mischievous side, I guess you could call it.
Yeah, and his personality's kind of like up and down sometimes, but he is so funny.
I like
They
the
all
photo
are.
bomb. That was cool.
Yeah, that one was a little familiar to me.
Really?
The classroom part with Tim and that flag on the board. I don't know if we saw the video, or I'm going to have to look into that. Or
Yeah.
if there's another one similar, but
Yeah, I don't remember the
it was
video. I
great.
honestly don't. So.
Yeah, it's vaguely familiar. But I don't know, but it was great. They all are.
Yeah.
It's funny.
Well, that was fun, and we have a few more to get to today.
Yes.
So.
We do, because we're going to do these as two separate ones today.
Yeah, we
They're
got
a
to
little
make
longer.
sure we have enough stock, on hand, because we're going to Albuquerque.
Yes, we're leaving Friday.
We got to have stuff
Road
to upload over
Sweet
the
Road
weekend.
Tour again, part 2 for us.
Uh-huh.
Road Sweet Road. Yeah. So, anyways, thanks, guys.
So, yeah, thanks.
If you're new here, hit
Please.
that subscribe button if you like what you see. It's always home free and friends, so
Right, yeah.
we get a little wacky and cheesy sometimes, but
We have
we
fun.
laugh a lot.
We
so,
have fun, yeah.
Yeah, we do. So thank you all that have been following us and
Yep.
continue to do so. And like that video for us, please.
Yeah, hit the like, subscribe,
How about our
smash, do all
algorithm?
that stuff,
Yeah.
that stuff.
Yep. All right, guys, we're signing off, and we'll see you
Peace.
soon. Take
Take
care.
care.
Love ya.